how we doing right now. By the way, this is my 4th time trying it. And earlier, why do I keep on going into the bathroom? Let's go.
Just made this big poodle. You ever seen the big black poodle? Yeah, it just went by. You're not allowed to videotape me ever, unless Nene says it's okay. Because like today, it's not a good day.
Me either.
Whatever, beauty queen.
Good time. Oh my god. I'm okay. Let's go. I'm okay, my dears. Let's just pretend that didn't even happen. And now, let's just not tell anybody that I did that. It's gonna seem believable. Okay, do you hear me? Good. Let's go. Hey, what you doing? Okay. Hey. Boom, 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 boom. You wanna see me dance? Never mind, I don't want to.
Human? Ooh, she sounds like a monster.
Hey,
Let's, 1 second. 1 second, please. Oh, good. Okay. Wasn't that a great sound of blah blah blah? Where are my manners? Ducky girl, ducky girl. Boom. You are watching. 1 second. 1 second. You are watching The Libby Show. Cheese. Libby, 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 Libby Show. Wait.